Ever wondered what's been happening at Technical Afandi? Well, it's time to lift the curtain and reveal the story behind the hiatus. Welcome back to your favorite corner of the internet, where we dive deep into the intricate labyrinth of coding and technology. You may have noticed a pause in the regular content, and for that, I extend my sincere apologies. Life has a habit of throwing curveballs, and it became necessary to hit the pause button on content creation. Now fasten your seatbelts as we catapult into the future. The forthcoming year, 2024, holds a treasure trove of thrilling plans for this channel. A bundle of captivating content ideas is simmering on the back burner, ready to leap beyond the realm of standard coding tutorials. While the joy of unraveling programming mysteries remains unparalleled, it feels apt to sprinkle the channel with a dash of variety. Brace yourselves for a blend of entertainment, engagement, and thought-provoking narratives that promise to ignite your curiosity and fuel your passion for technology. So, if you haven't already, slide your cursor over to the subscribe button and give it a click. Don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated with every new twist and turn in this coding adventure. Prepare to embark on a journey through a year brimming with coding escapades and tech entertainment. Until we meet again, may your coding endeavors be fruitful and your tech quests be rewarding.